So good morning everyone. So today I have a Rosa style property to show you. We are on Camposol, an urbanisation with over 4,500 villas. Beautiful community, and we're here on the Costa Calida near the port of Matharon, where there are several beaches. Our nearest airport is Murcia International, which is a 30-minute drive, and then Alicante is further up the road. So let me take you inside and show you around this beautiful home. So this property itself, the driveway will hold 2 cars. They have walls raised for privacy. And just the end of that road, I don't know if I zoom in, you may be able to see that's the golf club is straight across there. Okay. Now it's a pretty quiet road here. So let's go in. Now you are on lowest C sector here, and of course the golf club they do meals over there. They do a lovely Sunday carvery, and not only do they do a lovely Sunday carvery up there, there is a beautiful 18-hole golf club, and that's just down the road from this property. Now you have a lovely pool here and outside dining. You have a shower over there. I'm just going to bring you over here and we'll give you a glimpse of the outside space. So it's really very nice, and the sun is out today. What more could you want? So I'll go around the side here. It's all very well manicured, the garden. And this is where you could sit with family and friends and have some tapas or a nice meal. Just inside the pool, you have seating just inside, as you can see, and lighting. So this pool lights up at night. So let's go over. There's a lovely balustrade here as well by the cars, and we go up the steps. So just before I go up the steps here, there is a rooftop solarium. We will have a look at that in a moment. Beautiful tiles up the steps and lovely balustrade. Just on here, there's a lovely terrace where you can sit and have a glass of wine. Patio doors slide open and they are tinted, which leads to half of the terrace being enclosed, which gives you extra accommodation. So let's go inside. So I've just come inside, and the tiles from outside flow through beautifully into this conservatory. So this is extra accommodation. So if you got friends or family over, you can put a bed in here. They could be sofa beds, I'm not too sure, but it's extra accommodation if people are over. Plus it's a nice place in winter just to have a coffee and read the newspaper. It also looks over that beautiful pool. So let me take you into the main house. So as I come through the main house, you can see this is quite a spacious living room. You have aircon and you have ceiling light and fan, and you've got a log burner fire. Just going to pan across now. Come across here, and of course you have your kitchen and your dining room. Dining room's quite spacious, and sometimes people close this front door, although they have an extension there, but some people don't have the extension. They would close that. They would open up this door here and open up the kitchen and bring the kitchen around, make it a little bit bigger. But it's just nice the way it is. So I'm going to take you up here. Now we're in the kitchen area, and there's plenty of top and base units. There is integrated gas hob and electric oven. There's also a sink and drainer and a water filter tap, and you've got your fridge freezer there. So if you want it, you could take that wall down and make that a little bit bigger. So I'm just going to pan around just to give you an idea. And we go through here. And just in here brings you to the guest bedroom, which is beautiful, bright and airy. And in here you have your aircon and your ceiling light and fan. The sun is illuminating this room beautifully. Now, if I come at a different angle, you see the room is a different way. So you've got your overhead storage and your double wardrobe. Now I'm going to go over across from this bedroom into a shower room. And you have storage there, frosted glass window. You have your shower behind the curtain, and you've got your WC and a sink and pedestal. Lovely new flooring in here as well. So I'm going to take you into the bedroom with the ensuite. So this is your bedroom, and as you can see, there's a ceiling light and fan, and there is aircon. It's quite a large double bedroom, as you can see, and plenty of storage. There is the doggy bed there. I'll just move that. So just here is your overhead storage and your double wardrobe. Through this door here we have got the ensuite. So I'll go in there, we have a look in here. So this is the ensuite, guys, and you've got a shower cubicle there. You have a WC, bidet and a sink and pedestal. You've also got some storage there and with lights on. And you've got a standard light just above. And we go back through the house. Give you a glimpse of the kitchen. And that beautiful dining area and the living space. So let me take you outside, and we're going to go upstairs, guys, because we haven't been on the rooftop solarium just yet. I'm just going to open the door. Shut the door behind me. And I'll see you at the top of these stairs, guys. Now I've just come up to the rooftop solarium, and that lovely tile follows through up here as well. So you have got storage there and some beautiful views of the mountains beyond over there. Now this is lovely up here, and it's a great sun trap. Sometimes people put an extension up here like that, so they make this a extra bedroom and an ensuite. But do you know what I do? And I've always said that I put a plug there with a fridge and some wine or some beers, and put my big film screen up there. I show films to my family in the summer months when they're over. So this is absolutely stunning, really large as well. So let's go back downstairs. It's a lovely day, guys, absolutely. So I'm just going to show you the side of the property now. We have a small underbuild and some storage. So just in here is your storage, just for maybe your stuff for the pool. You have logs there, storage for your burner, log burner. And underneath here you have got underbuild. Just give you a quick look at that. It's literally just for storage for the gas bottles or whatever. So that's about it now. So let's go and sit down. So what do you think of this property, guys? It's a beautiful property, well manicured gardens and a lovely inviting pool. You have a small underbuild for storage and some storage under the stairs, and you've got a lovely rooftop solarium. The house itself is beautiful. Also, if you're interested in this property, I will leave the reference in the title of the video and all the agent's details in the description box below. So until the next time, don't forget to share, like and subscribe, possibly buy me a coffee to help me support the channel and create more videos. And I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.